Hey guys, it's me. It's Tuesday. I'm over here at the Brown Trucks. I've got one. Well, I had one that had a overheating issues. It said the engine kept overheating. This was actually a unit that I had looked at a couple months back, actually about a month ago, and it was determined that the radiator was clogged, the charge air cooler was clogged, and even the condenser was clogged. I told them to pull it out and deep clean it. I'm not sure if they did or not. I can't prove otherwise. It doesn't look like they did. But now the charge air cooler actually has a hole blown in it. So they're going to go ahead and order a charge air cooler, pull the cooling package out, and clean it. See what it does after that. This particular unit that I'm looking at right now has an ABS fault and adaptive cruise control fault. So the code that was on there was for the forward-looking radar, FLR21. It's a Bendix system. Pulled the plug off the radar, check power, ground, the can high, can low, can high, can low on both circuits. Everything is reading correctly as it's supposed to. The code that it's flagging is internal radar sensor error. So in the Bendix system, I tried to connect to the radar itself to just, check alignment of the radar itself, and it's not giving any connectivity to the radar. So I just spoke with the customer, waiting to find out if he's got one in stock or if it's something they're going to handle, if it's something he wants me to get, but should have an update with that one soon. But that's what I got for today. This morning was really slow. I stopped at the shop and had to do a bunch of training and shit. It was pretty boring, so I didn't record none of that because it was all internal training, so nothing y'all need to freaking see. So let me see if I can get this customer to respond back really quick, find out what's going on. Hopefully they got one in stock and we can get it installed and be on to the next trip. So y'all hang tight. Alright guys, we're out here working on the new highway. We got a concrete truck over here. It's got the ABS harness that's messed up on it. Let me take you back here and show you. So this is the harness that we're going to replace, and of course it runs chassis length, plugs in up here, and I think the bottom plug. But you can see I already got part of it pulled out, part that routes under the cab. So now I got to get the part that runs around the front of the engine, unless it runs around the back of the engine, and then get the part that runs down the back of the chassis, which it's all tucked in to the frame rail and routed through the cross members. So pretty fun stuff here. I wish y'all were here to help. I could use it, but you're not. So y'all have a good one. I'll update when I have more info. Alright guys, that's a wrap for today. I got the harness ran, but I ran out of zip ties and confirmed that we are going to have the transmission control, or not transmission, ABS control module, which we do have on order and should be here in the next day or so, hopefully. Hey y'all, It's Thursday. Gonna start out this morning with that truck that had an issue going with the headlights, or the running lights weren't working on one side of the unit. I've got pins, the plugs, everything that I need to get this baby going. So we're down here in Granbury to get this baby pinned up. So I'm a little early. Truck wasn't supposed to be here till 8. I got here at 7:20. So I got 40 minutes to waste. So I'm gonna sit here and watch some shit on my phone, wait for him to get here. Hope y'all are having a good morning. Hope y'all have a good day. I should be able to record this shit. Shouldn't be a problem, so y'all stick around. Alright folks, I wasn't able to record the repair or the verification, any of it, because this truck was in a hurry to get in and get out, get back on the road. They brought it in just to make this repair, so he is already, I just finished my calendar and he's already gone. So, call my foreman, see what else we got for today, and get out of here. Hey people, sorry I didn't get to record shit today. We had 3 brown trucks to look at. I don't remember what was wrong with them. Let's see, one of them had, the first one had a check engine light they wanted me to check. Turned out to be the fuel filters. It's a CNG engine. Oh, that's rattling. It was a CNG engine that had the inline fuel filters on the frame rail. Both of those fuel filters were basically clogged up, causing low pressure in the fuel system, which was causing a drag on the engine. The second truck had AC kept cutting off, on and off. Found the blend door for the recirculate was actually broke, and the blend door actuator was no good. Damn, I got indigestion. The third truck I looked at had an ABS fault, and it also had AC issues. I found that the initial complaint was that there's tapping in the dash, and what I found was the foot to dash actuator, the blend door was stuck and broke, and caused the blend door actuator it's got little teeth on it. I think I got one right here. So this is a blend door actuator, and the teeth inside were just basically jumping, which was causing the sound that the driver was explaining. And then the ABS fault was pretty cool. They had one wheel speed sensor, which blah blah blah, nothing special about that, but the harness in the dashboard had a broken wire. So I checked the chassis harness, and we had good wire all the way back to the sensor, but checking the dash harness, we had a broken wire somewhere. I couldn't find it. Didn't take the dash completely apart. They decided to send that unit over to our shop to get the recirculate door, which is broke, the dash to foot door replaced, and then they're going to get the dash harness replaced while they have the dash torn apart. The dash ABS harness replaced while they have the dash torn apart, and they are also going to replace the wheel speed sensor for the right hand side rear drive axle. So on tandems you have rear drive axle, and then you have rear drive axle. So it's going to the shop for repairs. I spoke with the supervisor, and he requested that I come back tomorrow morning, that he has a bunch more trucks for me to look at. So I should be able to record some shit tomorrow. It's going to be hotter than hell. It's Texas summertime, so it is what it is. You think I'd be used to it by now, but I'm not. So I'm on my way home right now. I'm gonna get this video up and posted. This is for 3 days. I doubt anybody will make it this far into the video, but if you do, congratulations. I love you. You're appreciated. If you don't, then maybe in the next video you'll make it all the way through. I don't know. I'm not very happy. I work on fucking trucks for a living. What do you expect, you know? So, y'all have a good day. Good night. Y'all see me tomorrow. Y'all will see this video tomorrow. And then I'll try to get a bunch of shit recorded tomorrow so I can post it up on YouTube with what goes wrong with the brown trucks. So, y'all have a good day. Y'all have a good night. Subscribe to my channel. We're at 349 subscribers right now. 349, that's pretty badass. You know, it's not 10 million or nothing like Demo Ranch, but 350 is pretty freaking awesome. So, subscribe, leave me a comment, and hit the thumbs up. I don't give a shit if you do or not. But y'all have a good night.